Hi guys, how can you create a number poster design effect in Photoshop like this? First, go to File New and create a document with a black background. Select the text tool and choose a font like Sego UI. Type your number, for example 8. Press Ctrl plus T to resize and make the number large, then press Enter. Right-click on the text layer and select Convert to Shape. Press Ctrl plus J to create a copy. Now open Blending Options and enable Stroke. Set the size to around 50 pixels, position to outside, opacity 100%, and color white, then press OK. Select a rectangle tool, set it in the middle. Next, add a layer mask. Now go to File, Place Embedded and insert your image. Place the image layer above the number shape. Right-click and select Create Clipping Mask, so the image fills inside the number. Use the Move tool to adjust the image position inside the shape. Now create a new layer above that first shape layer. Add a clipping mask to that layer. Select the Brush tool. Choose a soft round brush. Set the size around 322 pixels or above then 300. And make sure the foreground color is black. Gently brush on the edges to add depth and shading. And that's it. This is how you can create a number poster design effect in Photoshop.